So I was saying that you will maintain this notebook, whatever daily we are writing on this, whatever we are doing in the lecture, whatever we are doing lecture, that is going to be your notes book. Then your homework notebook. There every day you are going to solve some examples, some homework will be given to you. That homework you will maintain in this homework book. Okay. If you want to maintain a different book for the board's homework, that will be better. That will be better. Okay. So for MCQ homework and for board homework, it will be better to maintain different notebooks, and that will be very good thing if you think from the point of view of exam. Okay, if we start doing this well before 8 months 9 months before the exam, that will be helpful for us. Okay, rather than thinking just before 1 month of the exam and then start preparing notes of all the chapters. No, we will not do that. We will be prepared well before the time. Okay, if possible, one for MCQs and one for board's homework. I will suggest to use these two different notebooks. That will be better. But it will be called as ultimately homework notebook only. Okay. Or board's homework notebook, MCQ homework notebook. Then homework or classwork analysis. Those questions you find tricky or difficult, which you are unable to solve, will be solved in this notebook. Okay. After you do the homework, after you submit the homework, then you check what are the questions which you are unable to solve. Those questions will be done here, will be written here with its book name, exercise chapter name, book name, chapter name, exercise name, and the question number. Okay, all details should be written here, and then you have to solve those examples. Okay, and the fourth one is test analysis notebook. Whatever test you are doing, let it be a chapter wise test, or let it be a multiple chapter wise test, or let it be a full portion test. Whatever test, CET, NEET, JEE, that test analysis notebook, the questions which you are unable to solve during the test, or the questions which you have guessed, because in CET there is no negative marking. Once you solve all the questions which you know, after that I know that you are going to guess, but all those guess questions in case of CET, and all the unattempted questions and incorrect questions in case of JEE and NEET, those are going to be written here. Write down the test code and then write the question number. Test code, subject name, question number. Test code, subject name, question number, and then this question, this question, this question, this question, and maintain those PDFs with you. Okay, that's not that difficult to maintain those PDFs. At least from now, at least from now, if you do this, this will ultimately help you to revise the things. Okay, otherwise how you are going to revise the things? If you are not having the notebooks with you, how you are going to revise the things? That is going to be the question before you, one month before the exam or 2 months before the exam. Okay, try maintaining these 4 types of notebooks. Okay, generally this 200 pages notebook will be enough for all the upcoming tests. Okay, and if required, of course, use the second. Is this clear to all of you? Everyone reply me in the chat box, small c. Bola. We will start doing this. Okay, we will start doing this because this will ultimately help you. Yes, sir. Good. Good. And of course, every day, whatever is being taught in 10 to 15 minutes, you are going to read whatever is being taught today. And if you find a new formula, a calculation trick, an interesting thing, you are going to note it down in your separate notes, your own notes. That's an additional thing. Own notes. Every day 15 minutes for that. Whatever has been taught today, that will be put in the very shortest form in the own notes. A formula and all the terms in the formula. V is equal to IR, V is equal to this, I is equal to this, R is equal to this. If two resistances are in series, R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Only the formulae. Okay, for the given chapter. And of course, you have to write the details of that formula. What is that V? What is that I? What is that R? When to use this formula? When not to use? All those details you can write shortly in that notes book. Then next point, next point, next point. If there are, let's say 20 points in a given chapter, there will be 20 different notes or 20 points in the notebook, notes in these own notes. Okay, containing formula for each case. Okay, containing formula for each case. In this way, you can maintain the, instead of saying that as notes, own formula list of formulae. That's what we call it. Okay, list of formulae. Okay, that also you have to maintain so that you can revise entire physics in 3 or 4 days, because this will take 1 day and other 3 4 days you have to read this and this. Okay, so at least within a week you can entirely revise the things. Okay, if you have everything in your hand. आणि आतापर्यंत सगळं जर अगदी छान मेंटेन केलं असेल, then that's a very good thing. Further at least this, but now we have to start this. Of course, I think most of you are doing this as well. Okay, so I don't think that there is any problem, because I have seen that most of the students are doing MCQs homework in a different notebook and boards homework in a different notebook. That's a very good thing. These are the 2 additional things now you have to do. Basically, these are the 2 additional things you have to do. Most of you are again doing this also. ते पण तुमच्यापैकी बरेच जण करत होतेच आधीपासून. ओके, सो त्यात पण मला काही अडचण वाटत नाही. But now I want everyone to do this. 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is going to allow you to revise everything in 1 day. Okay, because just reading formulae, if everything is clear, you can just read the formulae before the exam. Okay, fine. Give me 1 second. All right. Chalo, let's solve the questions now. And every day study 2 slots. Every day study in 2 slots for physics. One for the homework completion, whatever today's homework is given to you, and one is the revision task. RHW, revision homework. If you find revision homeworks are extremely easy for me, sir, then go for OT, optional task. Otherwise, initially just stick to homework and revision homework. If you find these things are, sir, very easy for me now, I want higher material, then go for OT. Definitely everything I will make available for you, and it is basically available to all of you, because everything is sent on the group itself. So all the links are present for the OT as well, but that should not be done immediately. I'm expecting a gradual change. Okay, chalo. Next, question number 26. In a battery, positive plate is at higher potential. Yes, of course, and the negative potential. The potential at point A. If potential at point B is 10 volt, find the potential at point A. If potential at point B is equal to 10 volt. बोला बाळांनो, कुठं स्टार्ट करूयात? Let us start at point A. EA. Now from this point to this point, this is higher potential, this is lower potential, so potential decreased. The battery, near the battery they have written 10 volt, near the battery they have written 10 volt. Okay, so let us move from A to B. So from A, VA, from point A to point B, this is higher potential terminal, this is lower potential terminal. When there is a battery, don't think of current, whether the current is moving like this or like this. If it is battery, it will decide which is higher potential terminal, which is lower potential terminal. So you don't have to worry about it. If there is a resistance, then think in which direction current is there, because in case of resistance you will say that current flows from higher potential to lower potential. In case of battery, you will not say that current flows from higher potential to lower potential, because battery might be discharging or might be charged. So in case of battery, you are not going to say current flows from higher potential to lower potential. If the battery is discharging, the situation will be different. If the battery is charging, the situation will be different. So instead of thinking like that, just think like this: higher potential terminal to lower potential terminal. You are moving rightwards. So higher to lower potential decrease. Decrease means initially it was VA. Now decrease means minus. Decrease by what? 10 volt. Now I reach this point. This point is point B, so is equal to VB. I want to find potential at point A. This stays on the right hand side. VB is equal to 10 plus 10. That will be equal to 20 volt. Yes, no reply in the chat box. Clear and written. That's my answer. CW. Hmm. 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 Good. This was an easy question, right? Question number 27. Just follow the method, you will get the answer. Okay. Question number 27. Current flows in the resistance from higher to lower potential. Yes. Current flows in the resistance from higher to lower potential. And the potential difference V is equal to IR. And the potential difference V is equal to IR. Near the resistance they have written V is equal to IR. Obviously. This is point A. This is point B. VA and VB. Next. VA and VB. Question is find VB if find VB if VA is equal to if VA is equal to 20 volt, 30 volt, and in general V volt. In general V volt. VA च्या 3 केसेस दिलेत. Okay. All right. And it is also shown in the diagram like this. What is that? Resistance of 2 ohm, current of 10 ampere. Okay. Two ohm and current flowing from A to B of 10 ampere. Fine. Solution. This is the higher potential, this is the lower potential. So VA minus VB should be a positive number. The number is I into R. The number is I into R. This potential difference V is equal to VA minus VB. VA minus VB is equal to I into R. I is equal to 10. R is equal to 2. that is equal to 20. That is our VA minus VB. We are asked VB. We are asked VB. So this VB on the right hand side, VB is equal to this 20 on the left hand side. That will become VA minus 20. That will become VA minus 20. So case A, for the case A, VB is equal to VA is 20. VA is 20 minus 20 is equal to 0 volt. For the case B, VB is equal to VA. For the case B, VA is equal to 30 minus 20 is equal to 0 volt. Case C, VB is equal to, we are just writing answers by formula. Okay, वही वेगळा विचार करायची गरज नाहीये. This VB is equal to VA. VA is V volt. Minus 20 तर minus 20. Minus 20 तर minus 20. Reply in the chat box, clear and written. CW. Check करा, समजतंय का? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Potential difference दिलाय. एका पॉइंटचा potential दिलाय, दुसऱ्या पॉइंटचं विचार. Potential difference is given. Potential of one point is given, other point is asked. Bit number B, find VA. A, B, C. Second type of question in the same question. Find VA. Find VA if bit number A, bit number B, bit number C. And now VB values are given. VB values are given. VB values are given as 0, V and 20. 0, V and 20. 0 volt, V volt, 20 volt. Solution will be what? It is given in the question that VA minus VB, higher potential terminal VA, lower potential terminal VB. VA is at higher potential, VB is at lower potential. Answer will be I into R. Potential difference across the resistance is I into R. Current through the resistor is 10 ampere. Resistance is 2 ohm. So again 10 into 2, same thing. The answer will be 20. VA minus VB will be 20. We are asked VA. So VA is equal to this minus VB on the right hand side. That becomes plus VB. Now bit number A. VA equals 20 plus VB. VB is equal to 0. Answer will be 20 volt. Bit number B. VA equals 20 plus VB. 20 plus VB is equal to V volt. Answer will be that's it. Bit number C. VA equals VA equals 20 plus VB. VB is equal to 20. Answer will be 40 volt. CW. 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. Minus, where is 30? इकडे होतं काय? What were the values of VA? काय काय होत्या? 20, 30 आणि V. 20, 30 and V were the values of VA. for this case. Okay, check if I am right or wrong. VA minus VB is equal to IR. V is higher potential, A is at higher potential, B is at lower potential. We want to find VB, so VB on the right hand side, IR on the left hand side. This is VA. So VA minus I into R, 10 into 2, 20 equals VB. So VA, if it is 30 minus 20, that will be equal to what? 30 minus 20 is equal to VB. Therefore VB is equal to 10. चेक करा. मी काय लिहिलं होतं? मी काय लिहिलं होतं? 0. ओके, 0 आय थिंक यासाठी लिहिलं असेल ना. 0, 20 minus 20, 30 minus 20, and here V minus 20. ठीक आहे, चला. 20 minus 20 मी 0 लिहिलं असणार आहे. 30 minus 20 10 यायला पाहिजे. जर लिहिलं नसेल तर तुम्ही चेक करा. मे बी मी 10 म्हटलं असेल आणि नुसतं 0 लिहिलं असेल. And VA minus and V minus 20 एक आन्सर आहे. It's just similar like this. You can just modify it. Okay. Next, question number 28. Question number 28. Find the potential at point A if potential at point B is 0. Potential at point A is equal to question mark if potential at point B is equal to 0 volt. Okay, sir. Resistance, battery, resistance, battery, resistance, battery, resistance, resistance, battery, resistance. Point B, 1 ohm, 4 volt, 4 ohm, 3 volt, 1 ohm, 2 volt, 2 ohm. All these people are in same branch. So people in the same branch are in series. 2 ampere. Current I equals to ampere. Capital A or ampere. Point A. Fine. Now, which point we shall start? Tell me. कुठल्या पॉइंटला चालू करूया? करंट जनरली ज्या डायरेक्शनला चालला शक्यतो तिकडनं स्टार्ट करायचं. दोन्हीकडनं करूया आपण. Let's start at point A. I am at point A, so potential at that point VA. Now, current flows from higher potential to lower potential. So I am moving from A to B. I am moving rightwards, and across the potential, across the resistance, potential drops. In the direction of current, potential goes on decreasing. In the direction of current, if it is resistance, potential goes on decreasing. Okay. रेजिस्टन्सच्या केस मध्ये काय करायचं? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट पोटेन्शियल गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. पोटेन्शियल कमी झालं किती? I into R. सो I into R म्हणजे 2 into 2. बॅटरी आली. बॅटरी सेल्स. बॅटरीच्या केस मध्ये करंट बघू नका, कुठं गेलाय, कसा गेलाय. डोंट चेक करंट इन केस ऑफ बॅटरी बिकॉज बॅटरी माइट बी चार्जिंग, माइट बी डिस्चार्जिंग. फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. So this is higher potential, this is lower potential. So you move from higher potential to lower potential by what amount? 2 volt. So potential कितीने decrease झालं? 2 volt. Potential decrease by 2 volt. Then in the direction of current, voltage is negative. Resistance च्या across आपण काय म्हणूया? Voltage. करंटच्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये रेझिस्टन्सच्या अक्रॉसचा व्होल्टेज काय येणार? आता ड्रॉप झाला. व्होल्टेजचा ड्रॉप झाला म्हणून निगेटिव्ह करणार आपण. किती? I into R. करंट किती आहे? 2 एम्पियर. इन दिस एंटायर ब्रांच current is always 2 ampere. Current is always 2 ampere. So I into R म्हणजे 2 ampere into 1. I reach here. Again higher potential to lower potential. Potential decrease by 3 volt. Again I into R in direction of current. व्होल्टेज काय होणार आहे, कमी होणार आहे. इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस रेजिस्टन्स गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग, और पोटेंशियल अक्रॉस द रेजिस्टन्स गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. रेजिस्टन्स मधनं करंट चाललाय, हायर टू लोअर जाणार. लोअर बाय व्हॉट अमाउंट, I into R amount, I into R. I is 2 ampere, R is 4 ohm. Then again higher potential to lower potential, higher potential to lower potential. So again 4. I reached at point B, ज्या पॉइंटला पोहोचलो is equal to त्या पॉइंटचं potential. The point at which I reach is equal to potential at that point. Reply me in the chat box up to this clear and written. पहिला एवढं समजून घ्या, इक्वेशन तुमचं तुम्हाला लिहायला यायला पाहिजे विदाउट माय हेल्प. I started at point A. करंटच्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये पोटेन्शियल कमी होत जाणार. किती कमी होणार, I into R. I is 2, R is 2. सो 4 व्होल्ट न पोटेन्शियल कमी झालं, या पॉइंटला पोहोचलो, कमी झालं म्हणून मायनस साइन. पोटेन्शियल डिक्रीज, सो मायनस साइन. देन आय रिच्ड at this point. Now from higher potential to lower potential. बॅटरीच्या केस मध्ये करंट चेक करू नका. इन केस ऑफ बॅटरी डू नॉट चेक करंट. Just check how you are moving. We are moving from point A to point B. Of course, we can move from point B to point A. That is also allowed. But we are moving right now like this. So initially I was at point A, VA. Then रेजिस्टन्सच्या केसमध्ये करंट कसं चाललंय बघावं लागेल. आपण राईटला चाललोय, पण आपण राईटला जाताना हा हायर पोटेन्शियल टर्मिनल आहे, हा लोअर पोटेन्शियल टर्मिनल आहे. करंट ऑलवेज फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर पोटेन्शियल टू लोअर पोटेन्शियल. So we have moved from higher potential to lower potential terminal. So potential decrease by what amount? I into R amount. I into R amount. This is I, this is R. I into R amount. So subtract that. IR. I into R. ते subtract केलं. या पॉइंटचं पोटेन्शियल मिळालं. Now this is higher potential, this is lower potential. This is higher potential, this is lower potential, because it is decided by the battery. Now not decided by the current. Higher potential, lower potential. So lower by 2 volt. So minus 2. Now I have potential at this point. Now again resistance. This is higher potential, this is lower potential. Decided by the current. Current flows from higher potential to lower potential if it is a resistance. So by what amount this potential is low? I into R amount. I is equal to 2. This I is equal to 2. R is equal to 1. Then higher potential to lower potential. Battery decided higher potential is this, lower potential is this. I moved from higher potential to lower potential. Lower by what? 3 volt. So minus 3. Now I am here. Now again I into R. Subtract I into R, because this is higher, this is lower. So I moved from higher potential to lower potential. आपण लोअर ला मूव्ह झालो ना, आपण हायर टू लोअर मूव्ह झालो. सो पोटेन्शियल कमी झाले. सो सबट्रॅक्ट. आपण जर लोअर टू हायर मूव्ह झालो असतो तर पोटेन्शियल वाढलं असतं. इन दॅट केस प्लस केलं असतं. So that will be I into R. I is 2 ampere, R is 4 ohm. 2 ampere, 4 ohm. 2 ampere, 4 ohm. IR. That will be subtracted. Again from higher potential to lower potential. Lower by what? 4 volt. 4 volt. Now we reached here, right? One more term is remaining. Again I into R. Again I into R. We reached here, right? At this point we reached here. Now again I into R. Current is 2 ampere. Resistance is 1 ohm. I into R. Now we moved from higher potential to lower potential. So subtract. Now we reached at point B is equal to potential of point B. Now reply me in the chat box. Is this clear to all of you? Repeated it twice. Hmm. You should be able to write such equations without my help. Now it is given that potential at point B is equal to 0. Put this value here and get the answer for VA. That's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. Solve this on your own. It will come either positive or negative, whatever it be. Let it be. Positive or positive, negative or negative. Potential is a scalar value. It can be positive, negative or 0. Second option. Let us start at point B. Let us start at point B. I moved from lower potential to higher potential. B ला चालू केले ना, आणि आपण अशी मोशन करणार आहे. So from B to this, from lower potential to higher potential. So potential increase by what amount? I into R. Why this is lower potential? Because in case of resistance, current flows from higher potential to lower potential, and I am moving from lower potential to higher potential, lower to higher. So potential increased by 4 volt. Potential increased by I into R. I is 2, R is 1. Increase. So 2 into 1. Now, now I am from lower potential to higher potential. Lower potential to higher potential 4 volt. Lower potential to higher potential. So potential increase. Increase means plus. Plus by what amount? 4 amount. I moved from lower potential to higher potential. I into R. Lower to higher. Lower to higher means plus. I into R. I is 2. R is 4. Now I moved from lower potential to higher potential by 3 volt. Now again I moved from lower potential to higher potential. Why lower potential? Current flows from higher potential to lower potential. So this is lower. I moved from lower to higher. Higher by what? I into R. Higher means plus. I into R. I is 2. R is 1. Again I moved from lower potential to higher potential. By what amount? By 2 volt amount. Lower potential to higher potential amount. Now again I move from lower potential to high potential amount. So 2 into 2 by what amount? I into R. Lower potential to higher potential by what amount? I into R. Lower to higher means increase, means plus. Amount means I into R because it is a resistance. So 2 into 2, 4. I reached at point B, so is equal to potential of point B. Is equal to potential of point B. Sorry, my mistake. I reached at point A. So is equal to potential at point A. I reached at point A, so is equal to potential of point A. Potential at point B is given to you equal to 0. Potential at point A is equal to question mark. You will get the same question, same answer. You will get same answer like this. इथे जे मिळणार होतं तेच इथे मिळणार. Reply in the chat box. Both methods clear to all of you. Good. आज काहीही होमवर्क दिलेला नाहीये. No homework has been given to you today. दिवस रात्र एक करा आणि मागचे जेवढे होमवर्क आहेत तेवढे सबमिट मात्र करा. आणि टेस्टचं अनालिसिस पण आता इथून पुढे कंपल्सरी करायचं आहे. कालचं केलं नसेल तर ते पण करावं लागणार आहे. ओके, राईट फ्रॉम द यस्टरडेज टेस्ट यू हॅव टू डू द अनालिसिस ऑफ द टेस्ट ऑल्सो. ते करायचं आहे. सोल्युशन्स पाठवलेले आहेत. ज्या ज्या मिस्टेक्स झाल्या होत्या सोल्युशन्स मध्ये त्या पण तुम्हाला ग्रुपवरती पाठवलेले आहेत. म्हणजे ऑफकोर्स ते 10-15 मार्क तुमचे इन्क्रीज होणार आहेत. चांगली गोष्ट आहे. चांगली गोष्ट आहे. सोल्युशन चुकू दे पण तुमचं बरोबर येऊ दे, मला आनंद आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. ओके, आय विल बी रादर मोर हॅपी इफ द सोल्युशन इज रॉंग given in the solution given in the book if it is wrong, and if your answer is correct I will be more happy in that case. Okay, so don't bother about mark, because if solution is wrong and your answer is right then of course you have been given negative mark -1 instead of +5, but be happy for that. Only 3 mistakes were there, but all those 3 mistakes have been posted on the group, so accordingly either +5 or +10 or +15. But don't bother about marks in this exam. Okay, in the final exam of course we will bother about marks. In these exams we are going to learn from our mistakes. We are going to learn from our mistakes. So the questions which you are able to solve in the exams, those are the questions which you know how to solve, so forget about them. But the questions which you guessed, which you were unable to solve or which you unattempted during the exam, I want that questions to be written, their solutions to be written in the test analysis notebook. Chalo, question number 29. Question number 29. Find potential at point B if potential at point A is equal to 0 volt. Battery, resistance, reverse battery, resistance, again battery. Check the terminals of the battery. Okay, again resistance, point A, पॉइंट ए पॉइंट बी. चला आन्सर सांगा सर. व्हॅल्यूज तर द्या, आन्सर सांगा काय. हा व्हॅल्यूज देतो थांब. करंटची डायरेक्शन पण बघा. चेक दी डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. काय सर व्हॅल्यूज देतच नाहीये. 2 व्होल्ट, 1 ओहम, 4 व्होल्ट. पटकन कोणाचा आन्सर येते बघणार आहे. 4 व्होल्ट, 2 ओहम. सर व्हॅल्यूज तर द्या. 6 व्होल्ट, 2 ओहम. करंट आय, कॅपिटल आय, स्मॉल आय. तुमचं आवडतं जे काय लेटर आहे ते घ्या. You can do this orally also. Okay. If you decide, you can do this orally, and in the exam you will get 4 marks. करा. Is that difficult? बोला. Tell me. Are you there? What is the answer? Potential at point B is equal to question mark. Sir, I is equal to question mark. Okay, I is equal to 2 ampere दिला ना. Yes, I is equal to 2 ampere. I is equal to 2 ampere. आता करा. Same branch, so all the currents are same. Okay, Advait has given the answer. चलो let's see. Everyone, check करूया. तर काय करू सर, मॉड्यूल मधला आणि आमचा आन्सरच मॅच होत नाहीये है ना. कसं सांगू तुम्हाला. कोण सांगितलं तुम्हाला मॉड्यूल मध्ये बघायला. म्हणून आन्सर कमी यायला लागले होय ना. म्हणून रिप्लाय कमी यायला लागले. मॉड्यूल आणि आमचा आन्सर मॅच होत. तुम्हाला मॉड्यूल कोण बघायला सांगितलं. तुम्हाला तुमचा आन्सर द्यायला सांगितलं. Tell me what is your answer, not the module answer. Okay, Aditya is saying 3 volt. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let us start at point A. Now battery, higher potential to lower potential, so minus 2 volt. Started at point A. Battery, higher potential to, we are moving from A to B. This is battery. We moved from lower potential to, we moved from higher potential to lower potential. So minus 2. कमी झालं ना potential. So minus 2. Now we move from again lower potential to higher potential because current in case of resistance, current flows from higher to lower. Current flows from higher to lower, but we move from lower to higher. We move from lower to higher. Lower to higher means plus. By what amount? I into R. I into R. I is equal to 2. R is equal to 1. Now again we moved from lower to higher. Lower to higher. Lower to higher means plus. Plus by what amount? 4 volt. Lower to higher. Lower potential to higher potential, because current flows from higher potential to lower, but we are moving rightwards. So lower to higher. By what amount? I equal to 2. Now we are here. Now we moved from lower potential terminology to the higher. Lower to higher, because this is battery. So battery will, this is lower to higher. Lower to is by 6 volt. Now for the resistor we have to check current. Current is always from higher to lower, but we are moving rightward, means we are moving from lower to higher. Lower to higher means plus. Plus by what amount? I into R amount. 2 into 2. We reached at point B, so is equal to potential at point B. Potential at point A is equal to 0 volt. So 0 minus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 4 10. Answer equal to 18. Bola yes, no. Everyone, yes, no. Check if there is any mistake. Hmm. 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 Reply me clear. CW. Check करा समझता है. Hmm. First subtraction. Here potential at point A is VA. Now there is battery, so I moved from higher potential to lower potential. बॅटरीच्या केस मध्ये करंट काय बघायची गरज आहे? बॅटरीच्या केस मध्ये पोटेन्शियल येस नो काय ऍड करून ठेवलं इथं +2 करून ठेवलं. एव्हरीवन बॅटरी आली की काय करायचं आहे? मोठी रेष म्हणजे हायर पोटेन्शियल, छोटी रेष म्हणजे लॉंग लाईन मीन्स हायर पोटेन्शियल, शॉर्ट लाईन मीन्स लोअर पोटेन्शियल. यू आर मूव्हिंग लाईक दिस. You are moving like this. Check. If it is resistance, you are moving opposite to the current. Means you are moving from lower potential to higher potential. Current flows from higher to lower. Current is right now leftward. Current flows from higher to lower. But you are moving from lower to higher. Lower to higher means increase. So for in case of resistance, you are going to increase the potential. And in case of this battery, higher terminal to lower terminal. Higher potential to lower potential. For this battery, lower potential to higher potential. So there will be increase. Here there will be decrease. Okay. Or you can just write down the rules. For resistor, in the direction of current, जर करंटच्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये मूवमेंट झाली तुमची, इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट पोटेन्शियल डिक्रीजेस. पोटेन्शियल डिक्रीजेस. चेक करायचं तुम्ही इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट गेलात की अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट गेलात. इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट गेलात की पोटेन्शियल डिक्रीजेस सबट्रॅक्ट करून टाका. अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट मूवमेंट झाली ऍड करून टाका. इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट पोटेन्शियल डिक्रीजेस. फॉर बॅटरी, बॅटरीचा जो काही ईएमएफ आहे 2 व्होल्ट 4 व्होल्ट 6 व्होल्ट, तो पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचा की निगेटिव्ह घ्यायचा? वेदर टू टेक दिस ईएमएफ पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह? ईएमएफ. if the motion is from higher potential, if the motion is from positive to negative terminal of the battery, or let me write negative to positive, negative to positive गेलात म्हणजे lower to higher गेलात ना, negative to positive, negative terminal of the battery to positive terminal of the battery अशी जर मोशन झाली, take the EMF positive, EMF काय करा पॉझिटिव्ह घ्या, निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह गेला मीन्स लोअर पोटेन्शियल टू हायर पोटेन्शियल गेला, लोअर टू हायर मोशन झाली, ईएमएफ पॉझिटिव्ह घ्या, अँड पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह टेक द ईएमएफ positive to negative. Here positive to negative you moved rightward but that was positive higher potential terminal to negative lower potential terminal. So बॅटरीच्या आत जाताना फॉर बॅटरी मधून तुम्ही आत जेव्हा शिरताय, ओके इनसाइड बॅटरी, फॉर बॅटरी तुम्ही जेव्हा बॅटरीच्या आत जात असता तेव्हा कसं जाता चेक करा, हायर पोटेन्शियल टू लोअर पोटेन्शियल जात आहे. सो हायर पोटेन्शियल टू लोअर पोटेन्शियल ड्रॉप डिक्रीज. सो पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह टेक ईएमएफ निगेटिव्ह, पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह टेक ईएमएफ निगेटिव्ह. ओके सो रेझिस्टन्स साठी करंटची डायरेक्शन चेक करा, फॉर बॅटरी इटसेल्फ विल गिव्ह यू द आन्सर, द बॅटरी इटसेल्फ विल गिव्ह यू द आन्सर. तुमची मोशन तुम्ही डिसाइड करायची असते, युअर मोशन यू हॅव टू डिसाइड आयदर फ्रॉम ए टू बी और फ्रॉम बी टू ए, आयदर फ्रॉम ए टू बी और बी टू ए. Okay, write down these rules and reply me in the chat box, clear and written. Solve this also. Solve this. Same question. VB is equal to question mark, VA equals 0. Correct. Current is 3 ampere. Rules are here in front of you. In the direction of current, voltage negative घ्या for resistor. Potential decreases. In the direction of current, potential decreases. So resistor साठी करंटच्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये तुम्ही मूव्ह झाला, सरळ सबट्रॅक्ट करून टाका. And while moving inside the battery, negative to positive, EMF is positive. Positive to negative, EMF is negative. एकच काहीतरी लक्षात ठेवायचं. हे एक लक्षात ठेवतो, हे एक लक्षात. रेझिस्टर साठी in the direction of current, potential decreases. So voltage is negative. Voltage negative घ्या. And for battery, निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह ईएमएफ इज पॉझिटिव्ह. एवढंच करा. तुम्ही कुठलीही मोशन सिलेक्ट करू शकता. यू कॅन सिलेक्ट एनी मोशन, आयदर राईटवर्ड और लेफ्टवर्ड. करा कॅल्क्युलेट. आता जर चुकलं तर बघाच. हम्म हम्म What is the answer? Sir, can it be negative? Yes. Why not? Potential can be positive, negative, zero. Potential is a scalar. It can be positive, negative, zero. What is the problem? It can be negative. हम्म. जे आन्सर आलाय ते सांगा. Okay. Everyone, fast. हम्म हम्म Others. हम्म हम्म का येत नाही आन्सर. रूल्स पण तुमच्या समोर आहेत. हम्म जे काय आन्सर आहे सांगा तुमचं. Whatever your answer is there, tell me. Type in the chat box, everyone. हम्म Everyone, tell me the answer. अनुजा, हर्ष, अथर्व, ध्रुव, दीक्षा, हिरल, कश्मीरा, केतकी, केतन, खुशी, मुसेब, पार्थ, पार्थ सावंत, पूजा, एस नार्वेकर असं लिहिलंय. सिद्धांत, समज्ञा, समृद्धी. आपलं नाव लिहा परत. ओके. आपल्या नावाचा आपल्याला अभिमान असला पाहिजे, बरोबर ना? So ते लिहिलं पाहिजे. समृद्धी, संच, समज्ञा, श्रावणी, श्रावणी खानविलकर, श्रावणी पाटील, श्वेत, सुयश, यश, अदिती, आदित्य, आदित्य मयेकर, अद्वैत, आनंद, अंतरा, आर्यन, अश्लेषा, फरेहा, मनाली, नाव लिहा, नुसतं आडनाव नको. परमिता, पार्थ, सानिया, सार्थक, सौंदर्या, श्रुती, सिद्धी, सुचित्रा, तन्वी, वैभवी, विदुला. आन्सर सांगा. आता तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं नाव येऊन झालंय, एवढा वेळ दिला होता तुम्हाला मी. टेल मी द आन्सर्स. चेक करूया चॅट बॉक्स. सेव्हन्टीन, 22, 11, 23, 17. ओके, चेक करा. हु इज राईट, हु इज रॉंग. Started at point A. My motion is rightward. ही माझी मोशन डिसाइड केली. चाललोय. कोण आलं? बॅटरी. नाव आय एन्काउंटर्ड बॅटरी. आय एम मुव्हिंग फ्रॉम पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह, हायर टू लोअर. Positive to negative, EMF is negative. Initially I was at point A, so VA. Initially I was at point A, so VA. Now I encountered battery. आता मला काय मिळालं? बॅटरी. Positive to negative, EMF is negative. Now I am moving opposite to the current. I am not moving in the direction of current. If I am moving in the direction of current, potential decreases because current flows from higher potential to lower potential. But I am moving from lower potential to higher potential. Why? Because I am moving opposite to the current. Current is leftward, I am moving opposite to current. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. But in the opposite direction of current, voltage is positive. I am moving opposite to the current. Current is leftward. I am moving rightward. In the direction opposite to the current, voltage is negative. So I into R negative. I is 3 ampere, R is 1 ampere. Voltage is negative. 3 ampere, 1 ohm. Then there is a battery. Negative to positive. I am moving left to right. Right? आपण right ला चाललोय. Negative to positive, EMF is positive. Now I am moving opposite to the current. So voltage is negative. I into R. I am moving opposite to the current. Current is leftward. I am moving rightward. So I into R. 3 into 2. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. In the direction opposite to the current, voltage is positive. So 3 into 2 plus. Now there is a battery. Positive to negative, EMF is negative. Positive to negative, EMF is negative. Minus 6. Now resistance. I am moving opposite to the current. Current is leftward. I am moving rightward. Current is leftward. So opposite to the current, voltage is positive. In the direction of current, voltage negative. But in the direction opposite to the current, voltage positive. In the direction of current, potential decrease होते ना. मग ते voltage तुम्ही negative घ्या, subtract करा. Decrease होते तर कमी झाले तर subtract करा. And in the opposite direction of current, in the direction of current decreases आहे. But we are moving opposite to the current, so potential will increase. Okay, in the direction of current, potential decreases. In the opposite direction of current, potential increases. So we moved opposite to the current. So potential increased by what amount? I into R. So plus, increase means plus, I into R, 3 into 2. Now I reached at point B is equal to potential of point B. Check करा आंसर किती येतं everyone fast. Put VA equal to 0 and tell me VB. VB will be plus 5. Check if I am right or wrong. Everyone, cross check if I am right or wrong. Tell me what is my mistake or whether I am right or not. My answer is 5 volt. चेक करा म्हणजे हे पण रॉंग आलं, हे पण रॉंग, हे पण रॉंग. Everyone reply me in the chat box. Is this clear to all of you? This is a single equation, okay? Tell me. Equation should be plus 3 instead of negative. It should be plus 3. Yes, yes, yes. My mistake. My mistake. Here, observe. Here we are moving opposite to the current. In the direction of current, potential decreases or voltage is negative. In the opposite direction of current, voltage is positive. So after this 2 volt, I should have added it. I should have added it. Yes. So 3 into 1 is positive. Now check. So it is plus 11. Check करा बाळांनो. Plus 13 minus 2 is plus 11. Everyone now reply me in the chat box, clear and written. Got it now? चेक करा. सो आता मात्र सगळ्यांचं बरोबर यायला पाहिजे एक्झाम मध्ये. ओके, सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्किप. ओके, एक ट्रिक सांगतो. This is a series circuit, right? This is a series circuit. So just add all the resistances. 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm. That will become 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm means 5 ohm. So a resistance of 5 ohm. All the rightward batteries, only one. Positive terminal right ला असणारी एकच बॅटरी. All the rightward batteries only one, 4 volt. All rightward batteries. इकडे काढलं तरी चालतंय, इकडे काढलं तरी चालतंय. In series sequence doesn't matter. All the rightward batteries. All the rightward batteries only 4 volt. All the rightward batteries only 4 volt. Then draw all the leftward batteries. Left ला करंट पुश करणाऱ्या बॅटरीज मीन्स लेफ्ट ला पॉझिटिव्ह असणाऱ्या बॅटरीज. 6 volt, 2 volt, 6 volt, 2 volt. That will be 8 volt. You can draw anywhere you want. Okay, no problem. Absolutely no problem. Here or here, absolutely no problem. Who will win? 8 volt battery will win or 4 volt battery will win? 8 volt battery is saying current should flow like this. 4 volt battery is saying current should flow like this. Someone will definitely win, someone will lose. So effective battery, these two batteries are not, if the batteries are like this, both are helping each other. So its effective battery will be also like this. Its equivalent battery will be also like this. Or if the batteries are like this, even in that case, let's say EMF of the first battery is E1, EMF of the second battery is E2, then the resultant of this will get a single battery, leftward battery, E1 plus E2. It will be added. Here also, these two batteries are supporting each other because first battery is saying that current should flow rightward. Second battery is also saying that current should flow rightward. So effective battery will be again rightward battery, and E1 and E2 will get added. E1 and E2 will get added. But if the batteries are arranged like this, opposite to each other, one is saying that current should flow like this, another is saying that current should flow like this, Ultimately, current may listen to this battery or may not listen to both of these batteries. That can happen, but ultimately you can find out the resultant of these two batteries just by checking which one is more. Now this is E1, this is E2. Right now 8 volt is more than 4 volt. So who will win? E1 battery will win. So effective battery will be like this, like E1, because E1 has more EMF than E2. 8 volt is more than 4 volt. So the answer will be a leftward battery, and the answer will be E1 minus E2. Answer will be E1 minus E2. Okay, a leftward battery with answer E1 minus E2. Here in this circuit, what you can do is this. You can find out the effective resistance as all the resistances are in series. And right now you are asked the potentials of endpoints. So हा एंड आहे आणि हा एंड आहे. सो मधले सगळे रेजिस्टन्स आणि बॅटरी कंबाईन करा. This is B, this is A. In between all the resistances and battery, you are going to combine. The current is still 3 ampere. Absolutely no problem. Effective battery of this will be what? Effective battery of this will be uh, which one is the larger battery? 8 volt is the larger battery. So effective answer leftward battery. 8 volt minus 4 volt, that will be equal to 4 volt. Now this 5 ohm resistance, this is point B, current is still 3 ampere. Absolutely no problem there. Now this is point A. Now let us start at point A. Let us move from A to B. Okay, positive to negative. Initially we encountered battery. Positive to negative, EMF is negative, minus 4 volt. Now we are moving opposite to the current. We are moving opposite to the current. We are moving opposite to the current. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. But opposite to the current, voltage is positive. Current is leftward. We are moving rightward. So opposite direction of current, voltage is negative. So I into R should be negative. I into R should be negative. 3 into 5. I into R should be negative. Now we reached at point B is equal to potential of point B. Potential at point A is 0. Minus 4. 5 into 3. Minus 15 is equal to VB. Check if there is any mistake. Any mistake I have did? Because this answer and this answer must be same. काय mistake झाली का बाळा? Let me check. 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 5 ohm. Absolutely fine. This is 6 volt, 4 volt, 2 volt. 6 volt, 2 volt, 8 volt. Perfectly fine. 4 volt, 4 volt. Who will win? Leftward wala will win. Yes. 8 volt minus 4 volt, 4 volt. Leftward. VA. Higher to lower, minus 4. Increase. My mistake. My mistake. Increase. Yes. In the direction of current, potential is potential decreases or voltage is negative. Current च्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये गेला असता तर निगेटिव्ह आला असता व्होल्टेज, पण अपोजिट टू दी करंट व्होल्टेज इज पॉझिटिव्ह. प्लस I into R पॉझिटिव्ह येणार बाळ. ज्या पॉइंटला पोहोचलास इज इक्वल टू त्या पॉइंटचं पोटेन्शियल. द पॉइंट ऍट विच यू रीच इज इक्वल टू पोटेन्शियल ऑफ दॅट पॉइंट. चेक नाउ. प्लस 15 minus 4 11. बोला yes no everyone. This method or this method, any method you want you can use. I don't have any problem. Yes no everyone fast. भरपूर प्रॅक्टिस करून घेतली आता. But what I am expecting you is to write this equation directly. I want you to be able to write this equation directly. If not, at least you should simplify the circuit. And if you are able to simplify the circuit, then write the equation. But still, you have to remember the rules. Rule simple है. Resistance असेल तर in the direction of current, voltage is negative. I into R negative घेऊन टाका. In the direction of current motion झाली तर मग opposite ला positive. एक लक्षात ठेवा. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Second, आपोआप लक्षात राहील. Okay, that will be remembered automatically. In the direction of current, voltage is negative for resistor, and for battery, positive to negative EMF is negative. Positive to negative EMF is negative, and negative to positive EMF is positive. मोशन कसे चेक करायचे? एक एक रूल लक्षात ठेवा. कुठले? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ रेजिस्टन्सचा रूल काय? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट व्होल्टेज इज निगेटिव्ह. इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट व्होल्टेज इज निगेटिव्ह. आणि बॅटरीचा रूल काय? निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह ईएमएफ इज पॉझिटिव्ह. और कुठलाही दुसरा लक्षात ठेवला तरी चालेल. पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह ईएमएफ इज निगेटिव्ह. मोशन फक्त विचारात घ्यायची. मोशन जर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट झाली तर रेजिस्टन्सच्या केसमध्ये काय म्हणणार? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट EMF is negative. In the opposite, sorry, in the direction of current, voltage is negative. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Resistance. But in the opposite direction of current, voltage will be automatically positive. And for the battery, negative to positive EMF is positive. Motions are negative to positive, then EMF positive. If the motion is from positive to negative, EMF is negative. ओके, एवढे रूल लक्षात ठेवा. सारखं अप्लाय करूनच आपोआप पाठ होते ते. It requires solving of questions, only then it will be remembered. Now the next point is resistances in series and parallel. I think we have already dealt with this point. Okay, so instead of teaching that resistances in series and parallel once again, I think we shall solve the examples of resistances in series and parallel. Say yes, no? Because that has been already covered in the chapter called as capacitance. All the details of the resistances have been given first. All the possible varieties of resistance question we have did, and only then capacitance varieties, series, parallel can be solved. So we are all with that point. So it's better to solve the questions of resistances rather than writing those formulae once again. परत फॉर्म्युला लिहिण्यापेक्षा हे रेजिस्टन्सेसचं लॉजिक केलेलं बरं, क्वेश्चन्स केलेले बरे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. चलो. When two resistances are in parallel combination, then determine I1 and I2 if the combination carries a current of I. If two resistances are in parallel, find out I1 and I2, means current through first resistance and current through second resistance. If the combination of resistance, this entire thing, a single resistance, you can call it as a single resistance, a combination carries a current of I. If a combination carries a current of I, the logic is very simple. The logic is that this is a two equation, two unknown problem. The unknowns are I1, comma I2. These are the two unknowns. I1 and I2 is equal to question mark. What are the known? Capital I is known, R1 is known, and R2 is known. R2 is known. This is a two equation, two unknown problem. The very simple thing is write down two equation and find out the answers on your own. I is equal to this total current. All entering current is equal to all exiting current. All entering current is at any junction. जिथं जिथं बाळांनो करंट कंबाईन होतोय किंवा स्प्लिट होतोय, this is the point where the current is splitting. This point will be called as a junction. So all incoming current equal to all outgoing current. This is the incoming current I. This is the incoming current I. This is outgoing current I1. This is outgoing current I2. All incoming current is equal to all outgoing current. This is called as first equation. And the second equation will be, as these two resistances are in parallel, potential difference across first resistor and potential difference across second resistance will be same because they are in parallel. Parallel मध्ये voltage same ना, parallel मध्ये potential difference किंवा voltage same. Potential of this point equal to potential of this point because nothing is connected in between. Potential of this point is equal to potential of this point because nothing is connected in between. या दोघांचं potential same आहे, या दोघांचं potential same आहे. So potential difference between these two is equal to potential difference between these two because they are in parallel. The second equation is potential difference between these two is equal to V. So I1 R1, V is equal to I1 R1, and the same V is equal to I2 R2, and the same V is equal to I2 R2. So forget about this V, write down I1 R1 is equal to I2 R2 is equal to I2 R2. This is the second equation. Potential across both the resistances is same. Now you can observe that I is known, R1 is known, R2 is known. Only things I1 is equal to question mark and I2 is equal to question mark. These are the two unknowns and two equations. Reply me in the chat box CW, clear and written. Two equations, two unknown. Which are two unknowns? I1 and I2. बोला बाळांनो. Good. चला. Two equations, two unknown. CW, fast. Yes, good. Or काय करूयात? If it is a parallel combination, we could have used current division principle. Use current division principle. Use current division principle. Now you will say, sir, what is current division principle? Out of this total current, some current will flow here, some current will flow here, means this current will get divided into the n number of branches. Right now there are only two branches, so this current, total current I, will be divided into these two branches. And we know that current in the first branch is equal to some fraction of the total current, some fraction of total current. Similarly, current in the second branch is equal to some fraction of total current. And we know for parallel combination, current is a fraction of conductance. Current is a fraction of conductance. Conductance means 1 upon resistance. So, पहिल्या branch मधला current in the first branch is equal to conductance of the first branch. Conductance of the first branch is 1 upon resistance of the first branch. 1 upon resistance of the first branch. Conductance fraction. My conductance upon all the conductances. 1 upon R1 means conductance of first branch divided by conductance of first plus second plus third plus fourth. Right now only two are there. So conductance of first plus conductance of second. Similarly, current in the second branch is equal to my conductance, second resistance R2. My conductance is 1 upon R2, conductance of second branch divided by conductance of first branch plus conductance of second branch. Now, if you do the rearrangement, after rearrangement, it will become, let me write here, 1 upon R1 divided by this R2 plus R1 divided by this R1 R2 base same. Try to understand. Multiplied by total current. And if you solve it further, you will directly get the answer. This 1 by R1 and R1 cancel. This R2 in the numerator. So R2 divided by R2 plus R1 or simply R1 plus R2 multiplied by total current. So I1 is equal to पहिल्या ब्रांच मधला करंट किती आला R2 upon R1 plus R2. Current in the first branch is equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2 of total current. Similarly, here if you do the rearrangement, 1 upon R2 as it is divided by this R2 plus R1 divided by R1 R2. This 1 by R2 and R2 cancel. This R1 in the numerator. Put the brackets properly. So this R1 in the numerator, that will be R1 divided by R1 plus R2 multiplied by this total current. So current in the second branch काय आला बा R1 upon R1 plus R2 multiplied by total current. सो कसं आलं बघा आन्सर. पहिल्या ब्रांच मधला करंट इन केस ऑफ टू रेजिस्टन्सेस इन पॅरलल, करंट इन दी फर्स्ट ब्रांच विल बी इक्वल टू resistance fraction of second branch R2 upon R1 plus I1 काढताना R2 upon R1 plus R2 of total current, and to find I2 current in the second branch, it is resistance fraction of first branch, so it is R1 upon R1 plus. कुठलीही मेथड यूज करा, any method that you want, two equation two unknown वाली method or this direct method or this current division principle, conductance ratio. Current is proportional to conductance, so conductance ratio. Voltage is proportional to resistance. In case of series, we use voltage division principle. In case of series combination, we use voltage division principle. But in case of parallel combination, we use current division principle. Current is proportional to conductance and voltage is proportional to resistance. Check kara. Up to this, reply me in the chat box, clear and written. CW. Everyone fast. Good. Fine. So are the things taught in today's lecture clear to all of you? Are all the things taught in today's lecture and the instructions given in today's lecture clear? Good. And you have to follow that. Okay. Those notebooks you have to maintain with you so that the revision becomes easy. Okay. So guys, chalo bye bye everyone. Let me end this lecture at this point, but remember to submit or don't forget to submit the homeworks. Okay. Today there is no homework, but all the pending homeworks you are expected to submit. Okay. Chalo bye. Yes. Chalo bye. Good day. Yes. Bye.